Hi, this is Fawaz from Utility Composites, and today I will be giving you a tutorial on how to use our tools with our fasteners. So this is Omer 83P. It is part of the 83P series, and it is compatible with our 16 gauge staples, specifically the SH0440 and SH0458. And I will demo how to use the tool. For this stapler, we also use our 1/4 inch male fitting. We recommend using a fitting with a straight thread, but you could also use a tapered thread, but make sure to use thread tape. So the first thing you want to do is to put oil. This is pneumatic tool oil that comes with staplers. 3 to 4 drops should be good. And then you connect the fitting with the air hose. For your air compressor is between 60 to 90 because that's the working pressure for this tool. To load the gun, you open up the magazine, you place the staples in the magazine like so, and then you just close it up, and now you're ready to drive the staples. To drive the staples, you just pull the safety back, and then you just press the trigger.